EPS Magantanan, represented by Dr. Virgilio Barba, EPS in charge of PSB. To our public schools district supervisor, Dr. Mildred C. Espiritu. To our municipal mayor, Honorable Maria Teresa Rodriguez Peralta. To the Punong Barangay of San Aurelio First, Honorable Albert S. Agulan, and San Aurelio Second, Honorable Julito P. Alejandro. To our SPTA President, Pastor Michael Padilla. To our distinguished guest of honor and speaker, retired Senior Jail Officer 4, Sir Charlito Estidor, sir. To our respected and hardworking school head, Ma'am Rosalina C. Sabelia. To our two equally beautiful head teachers, Ma'am Monina Orojo and Ma'am Catherine P. Bidanya. To our two dedicated master teachers, Ma'am Arabella T. Pagpalatok and Ma'am Eden M. Corpus, teaching and non-teaching staff, fellow graduates, parents, friends and visitors, a pleasant day to one and all. Today, I stand before you not just a simple student, an academic achiever, or a student leader, but a panganay who chose to not give up to reach her dreams, to be successful someday, to help her parents, especially her mama, despite of the challenges in life. Being panganay is not easy, kasi ang tingin sa'yo, dapat maging successful ka para matulungan mo agad ang parents mo. Andun yung pressure na dapat maganda yung grades. Lalo na sa akin na nahati yung time sa pag-aaral at gawaing bahay. But still, time management is the key. And I am so grateful na never akong pressure ni mama. Siya pa nga nagsasabi na okay lang magkamali, kahit madapa, pwedeng bumangon. Instead of pressuring me, she always motivates and comforts me, especially in my lowest times. Year 2021. Grade 6 tayo that time. Nang tumigil ang mundo dahil sa inaasahang pagdating ng COVID-19, na kung kaya't hindi tayo natuloy magmarcha sa graduation at magkaroon ng mga awards. But now, look at yourselves, sitting before me. Totoo na ito, no joke, na-confirm na kanina. At ngayon, deserve natin sabihin sarili natin na proud ako sa sarili ko. Sige nga, sabay-sabay natin sabihin, graduates, proud ako sa sarili ko. How far can we go? Ika nga ni Father, last baccalaureate mass. Gaano nga ba kalayo ang kaya nating malaking? Gaano na nga ba kalayo ang ating narating? This graduation is not all about celebrating all our hard works, but also to remember where we started. Alam ko, ang bawat isa sa atin ay may kanya-kanyang kwento. Iba't iba ang pangarap at gustong makamit sa buhay, pero iisa ang goal. Maging successful tayong lahat. Paano ka ba tayo karating dito? 6 na taon sa 4 na taon sa junior high school, at 2 taon sa senior high school. Sa unang 4 na taon na nagbigay ng maraming aral at masasayang alaala. Maaalala ko pa yung mga times na nilipat tayo ng classroom ni Ma'am Mara kapag subject na sa araling panglipunan. May mga times na pinapagalitan na tayo kasi ang ingay natin, lalo na kapag hindi tayo nagsusulat. Ma'am John Marie, namuntik na magtampo kasi hindi natin natapos yung filming ng Romeo and Juliet. Sir Rayland, na-suffer sa galing magturo ng math. Lahat nakaka-perfect pag siya nagturo. Ma'am Jenny Poy sa science, napulong experiments na nakaka-amaze. Ma'am Catherine na mahilig sa pag-games and activities sa ESP, lalo kaming natututo. At sa TLE, na natuto kaming magluto ng ipa at mag-alaga ng tanong. In my junior high school journey, when I first experienced how to handle or lead our section, marami akong natutunan na binaon ko hanggang senior high school. Senior high school journey. It was a roller coaster journey. It is also a challenging and thrilling one for me. That's why everyone is afraid to enter senior high school. Senior high school made me more humble and shaped me how to be more mature enough in making decisions and how to be more productive every day. I remember July 29, 2024 was the first day of school. Siyempre, sa una awkward dahil nagmula kami sa iba't ibang section, then naging isang section kami. But as time goes by, we learned how to get along with each other. May pagkakaiba kasi hindi pare-pares ang pinanggalingan, but still choose to know each other. Marami akong mamimiss sa pagiging senior ko. Isa na yung pagiging ate ng lahat. I always love to be called Ate Jai. Ate Jai, pwede pa-help? Ate Jai, thank you. Ate Jai, paturo. Ate Jai is my favorite nickname in this school, na para bang kapatid ko lahat. Sobrang nakaka-fulfill na maraming tumuturing sa aking ate and they always seek for me and my advice. Ang bilis ng panahon mo, parang kailan lang excited tayong graduate. Pero ngayon ayaw na natin. Ayaw nating pakawalan ng isa't isa. Dati puro tayo reklamo sa dami ng ginagawa, pero ngayon hinahanap-hanap natin at marirealize natin ang dami natin na-achieve this school year. When Sir Ralph says, when you get too comfortable na, tsaka kabibiruin ng universe. Ang saya na tapos biglang, okay, tapos na pala. Yung journey natin sa senior high school, yung pagiging advisory kasi sa akin, parang isang working star city o kaya. Sa umpisa masaya, tapos hindi mo mamalayang tapos na. Hindi na rin pwede yung ulit kasi marami pang nakapila. These words literally make me cry. 1 year, 8 months, and 1 day. Sana Raleigh National High School will forever be my home. Saan man ako hipan ng aming aniyan, siguradong babalik at babalik ako dito. Class of 2026, our stories are not only written in the books. It's written in the heart of our mothers and in the eyes of our fathers. We're not just studying but also finishing the story and purpose that we're creating and writing. I was taker since my mother left the country to work abroad. Alona, that's her name. And she is the strongest independent woman I ever know. She didn't leave because she wants to, but she left because she had to. I always remember the words she told me before she leaves. Anak, kailangan ko muna kayo iwan para makapag-aral at mabigay ko lahat ng pangangailangan mo. And those words literally hit me. When I heard those words, I started to think, how can I help Mama? How can I help her to feel better even she's away from us? I thought to myself and say, I need to study hard and make our Mama proud. Bakit ko nga ba ito kinukwento? Alam ko, hindi lang ako, kundi marami sa batch nito may magulang na piniling maghanap ng trabaho sa malayo para lamang makapag-aral tayo. Kaya naman, ang mensaheng ito hindi lamang para sa aking mama, kundi sa lahat ng magulang na piniling magtrabaho sa malayo. Mag-isa, palaging puyat, nagkakasakit at pinipiling maging okay ang lahat kahit hindi naman talaga. And this speech is yours. At nais ko lamang pong sabihin sa inyo, saludo po kaming lahat sa inyo. To Ma'am Rose, thank you for your unconditional and unwavering support. Thank you for being my mother and being my guide to all the decisions and projects. Truly, you are a blessing to me. I will miss those times that you always lift me up and you always say that you are proud of me. You see me at my highs and lows. You're always at my back and you know all my struggles. And I don't wonder bakit kami nag-bless ni Lord. Dahil blessing ka, hindi lang sa school natin, kundi sa lahat ng taong nakakasalamuha mo. Please be a good example and have visions in our school. Suffer sa OA and improve ang school natin through your leadership. May God give all the desires of your life. I love you, Ma'am. To our two equally dedicated head teachers na palaging naniniwala sa aking kakayahan at super supportive sa mga contest na sinasalihan ko, mapa-skill sa mapa-academic na yan. Ma'am Cathy and Ma'am Unina, thank you always. God bless and I love you both po. To my gorgeous AP teacher and now a Master Teacher 3, Ma'am Mara, thank you for all the sermon na binigay mo sa amin. Lahat po ng iyon ay nagagamit namin hanggang ngayon. Naway patuloy po kayo makapagturo pa sa ibang mag-aaral. Deserve niyo pong ma-promote and we are so proud of you. Also to our new promoted Master Teacher, Ma'am Eden, we are so proud of you. Thank you for supporting me, especially in my junior high school days. Thank you very much, Ma'am. Siguro unang naniwala sa aking kakayahan. Ma'am A, thank you for always supporting me and us, always kahit hanggang sa senior high school namin. Thank you for being our second mother in this school. Salamat po sa pagmamahal na patuloy mo pang
lang kami na palagi kang ginagalit at minsan pinapayak ka. Pero never mo pinaramdam sa amin na hindi mo kami mahal kahit galit na galit ka na. Palagi namin babaunin lahat ng turo at payo mo sa amin. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Ma'am. To Ma'am Jessa, who always make us full not only in our stomach but in love and support, thank you for being so generous and always listening to my rants and chismes and also for cheering me up when I was down. To Sir R.K. and Ma'am Joy, thank you for your unending patience to all of your katutubo dancers. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga naituro niyo sa amin. And also for being my besties and listening to my rants. To Ma'am Noreen and Jaireen, wag-iiyak Ma'am Noreen ha. Thank you for letting us to be part of your life. We're always here and we love you always. Thank you kasi mas napadali ang mat para sa akin dahil sa pagtuturo mo. I love you so much, Ma'am. To our one and only gorgeous, fabulous, generous Queen Mother, Sir Ralph. We're so grateful that you're our advisor. Thank you for making our senior high school more exciting and challenging. Thank you for always being a mother figure to us. All around din siya. Taga-plancha, taga-linis, taga-gamot, service at kung ano-ano pa. Wala na yung magagalit sa amin kapag di kami nakakagawa ng output para sa contest. Magagalit kapag di kami nakalinis. Maniningil kasi late kami. Magagalit kapag nakikipag-away at higit sa lahat, pupunta sa classroom para sa isang random chismis. Sabi mo sa akin, sir, mahirap kami let go. Pero ngayon, gusto ko rin po sabihin na mahirap kami iwanan. Na tipong kahit nagtataas ang buhok mo at dumadami writers mo, andyan ka pa rin pumipili kami. Thank you also for all the tricks na pinibigay mo sa amin kahit hindi na kailangan. Thank you for always being our #1 fan sa lahat ng mga competition namin. Thank you for believing in our capabilities that we can do everything. Thank you for all the words of wisdom you always share with us. I will cherish all the good and bad memories that we experience. Stay brave and always remember we are always proud of you. I love you with all of my heart and always remember that we include you in our prayers. This time, I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to all of my friends. To my Malikhain family, Ate Jai is always proud of you. Dream big and I know you will all be successful someday. To my estimating, thank you for being my comfort and also sakit sa ulo. I will cherish all the memories we created. To my EIC Queen and my peer Pasi, thank you for always listening to me. I love you both. To my F4 Kuyas, Janjo, Jasper and Carl, thank you for protecting and taking care of me, lalo na sa mga iyakin moments ko. Sana piliin niyo pa rin akong kasama magkape sa Nawaya, kahit magka-GF na kayo. Forever grateful sa inyo. To my girlies, Althea and Maybelline, my forever seatmate, thank you for being my ball of sunshine every day and for making me laugh. That's why I feel lighter every day. And truly unexpected friendship exists. Thank you for being a good listener to all my rants. I love you both. To Jason and Risa and Ruby, thank you for always being there even at my lowest. And even we're in different classrooms and sometimes don't have time for each other. Remember that our friendship will last forever. And I am always proud to the three of you. Mahal ko kayo palagi. To my tropa kids, Gabriel, Tyron, James, Alexis, Ryan, and Albert. Know always that I am here at your back, supporting you all and always be proud of all your achievements. Thank you sa pagiging mabuting kaibigan at kuya sa akin. Thank you for appreciating all my efforts at pinaparamdam niyo sa akin na proud kayo. I hope maging successful kayo someday. To my SSLG babies, especially Jillian and Shikaina, thank you for always listening to Ate Jan. Alam ko palagi ako masungit sa inyo, but still my heart is ninyo lahat ng pangarap ninyo. Andito lang si Ate Brian at cheer sa inyo sa malayo. To my Kuya Mark, Ate Riel, Kuya J. Mark, Kuya Vincent, and others and babies. Thank you for always being there, supporting me even when you're all busy at sa guidance sa akin sa leadership. To my Team Nikki, thank you for always being there present at all events to support me. I love you all. To my Kalat Fam, thank you mga ate and kuya for always supporting me and motivating me. Mahal ko kayo. Of course, my JL family, thank you for the guidance and prayers that you have always given me. Thank you for understanding me, especially when I am busy. Grateful po ako sa inyong lahat. To my family, ramdam na ramdam ko po ang pagmamahal ninyo sa akin. To my lola, kahit wala ka po dito ngayon, who's taking care of us since our mama left for abroad. Thank you, Lola, sa walang sawang pag-aalaga at pagmamahal na ibinigay mo sa amin. Makakabawi rin po ako soon. And Tita Abby, for always being a supportive tita since day one. I promise na babawi ako sa inyo lahat pag naging successful na ako in God's perfect will. To my adding, Sarah, mahal ka ni Ate Jai kahit bangat ka. Salamat sa pakikinig palagi kahit kaaway kita. To my partner, Andre, you've seen me at my lowest but you never let me alone. You still choose to be with me even in hard times. Always grateful for you and I love you. Mama, this is all for you. Thank you for all the sacrifices you've done for us. Sooner or later, you will be enjoying your life again. We're blessed to have the strongest independent mama like you na never akong pressure sa pag-aaral and never mo pinaramdam sa amin na may kulang sa amin. Soon ako naman ang mag-work para sa atin. Thank you sa pag-uwi para maka-attend sa graduation ko. Mahal na mahal kita, Mama. And lastly, to our Almighty God, I remember when Jeremiah 29 verse 11 says, "For I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." Thank you for guiding me all throughout my journey. I entrust to you everything. Truly, all of these successes are empty without you, and truly nothing is impossible with you. I will continue serving you at all times, even in the hard or good times. Marahil madalas tayo ay nadadapa, graduates. Pero palagi natin tatandaan, walang binibigay ng pagsubok ang Diyos na hindi natin kaya. Let Him and He will do the rest. Mga kapwa ko mag-aaral, patuloy tayong maniwala na may pag-asa sa taong may pangarap. Sabi nga sa kanta ng Ben and Ben, sa pagkagat ng realidad ng buhay, landas natin isadyang magkakahiwalay. Yes, we are parting ways, but you will always be remembered and never be forgotten. I hope all of us will be successful someday. Maybe it's a bittersweet and a roller coaster of emotion. This is not a goodbye, but a see you around. Always proud to say that I am an Aurelians. God bless us all. Soar and dream high, my fellow graduates. Mabuhay class of 2026 and to God be all the glory.
Once again, our study class, the Princess Zara Angelo, grade 12, grade high honors.